Okay, let us demonstrate how we can register our subjects and upload our scores. Of course, you open your browser and open the login page. You open the login page and log in as a teacher. Let me log in with an account of a teacher that teaches at one school in Agwata LGA. I will log in with our account. I'll log in with our account. Okay, once I am here, the only thing I'm going to do is to drop the staff desk. First term staff desk. You drop it down. Click on it to drop down. And then this is where we are going. Register subjects allocated to you. You click on it. And once you click on it, you will see where you are going to register your subjects. Meanwhile, this teacher has registered many subjects, very many of them. About 45 subjects already registered. Now, you can see she registered for Basic 1, Basic 2, Basic 3, Basic 4. In fact, for all the classes in her school, even nursery and pre-nursery, and even nursery. So this also answers the question some of you are asking, if you can register for other teachers. You can see it has been demonstrated here that it is possible. You can do that. Now, to register a subject, you come down here and see subject allocated. You click on it and see the list of all the subjects. You select one. Select the one you want to register, maybe basic science. And then select the class you are teaching that basic science. Maybe basic 4. Already first term is selected and the section is selected. You click on register. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. That subject will go in. That is how you will register all the subjects you are teaching in that particular class, one by one. Register them. After registering your subjects, you either click on upload scores, or you go back to your desk and click on your desk to drop it down, and then click on exact assessment scores, just like this. All the subjects you are teaching, which you have registered, they will all appear in this page. They will appear in this page. You can see all of them. Each subject against a particular class, each subject the class, each subject the class. Then you want to upload scores for maybe basic science and tech for basic 1A. You click on batch upload against it. Batch upload. And where you will insert the scores will open. And then, very simple, you add the assessment score, that is the CS score, and then the exam score. CS score, exam score, CS score, exam score, CS score, exam score for all the learners in that particular class. If for any reason you don't want to, insert score for any particular child, don't remove the 0 against the child's name. Leave the 0 that way, the way it is. Leave the 0 like that. And then after inserting those scores, you click on upload. All of them will be uploaded at the same time. It's as simple as that. It's just as simple as that. Then you can pick another subject and the class. And then do the same thing. Do the same. It's as simple as that. You can also from here go back to the subject list. If for any reason you mistakenly registered the subject and you want to delete it, you can delete. This is the link here. You can delete the subject which you registered in error. It's as simple as that. So I want to believe this helps. I want to believe this helps everybody who may be in need. Thank you so much.